Hey friends, how you guys doing? Hi guys, how are y'all doing? Happy Tuesday. Sorry. Alright, I'm in frame. I was confirming that I'm in frame. Happy Tuesday. Leo ni Tuesday ya maandamano, so I'm home. And I am really rejecting the finance bill. I am a scared girly, so I cannot be on the street. Alright, but I am rejecting, believe me. So just came from the mall. We left at around 8:50 to go get a few things just in case. And guys, the mall is filled with policemen. I'm like, did you people not get the memo? Is the riot in the mall? Anyway, I cannot understand that. But I just want to unbox a few things I have gotten. Oh, I did not even introduce myself. I'm Becky. Love creating content. This is going to be a day in the life that you guys are watching tomorrow, Wednesday. So hi guys, happy new week. I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you guys are safe and sound, because that is very important. Yeah, so today I'm doing a day in the life. The video began with us in the mall when we were doing a little bit of shopping. So now I'm home and I'm just unboxing the things that I've gotten. So we have a huge watermelon that I've gotten. These things will last us until next week, the weekend, when I can be able to go and do the normal haul. Pineapple. The pineapple was 120. The watermelon was 150. A half kg of beef at 360, if I'm not wrong. 2 packs of milk. These ones are for a baking expedition I want to do. And in the supermarket I spent 865 bob. Not bad. Colgate. And then I had to get some more smokies. We go through this a lot. And then I got bread that has been bondoed. Yep, it is well with my bread. Loaf of bread. And then I got milk for teas and coffees, of course the lactose free one. And then I got some onion. I have some, but it's nice that I've added to it that will last me the week. So that was just a mini haul for the next few days. Oh, and I also restocked on tissue. I remember when I share my grocery hauls, I tell you guys that if something runs out, I'll definitely restock. And this time I think from end month I'll be buying 2 packs of the rosy tissue, because it runs out. Some months it doesn't, some it does. So trying out the Hanan. I've seen nice things about it, the Hanan Premium, but it's pricey. So we'll try it and see what I think, but also restocked on this. So basically that's it. Today we are going to spend the day. You all are gonna chill with me and see what I get up to. I have already started. Ooh, that fridge smells so nice. It's nice. I have already started meal prepping for the things I'll be making today. So I think I want to remove my mince and marinate that. I want to marinate my mince. I have some beef liver too, so I think I want to sort this out right now, and then I will sit down and enjoy a very nice breakfast. Alafu we will continue, but for now I just wanted to share that haul. I was also looking for tortilla wraps. This is the second month that Carrefour doesn't have them, so I'm not understanding, but it's all right. This watermelon, this paper is ripped here. I need to wrap it nicely so that I can put it in the fridge. This pineapple I'll chop up a bit later, so this can stay here, that can stay there. So breakfast is some sandwiches. We have the Grwm and ham and cheese. That's ready. Babe, unatengeneza sandwich? So my condiments are ready for our breakfast. These ones I can refrigerate. My fridge is a bit on the empty side because it's almost a month. I think I want to utilize all these means today, but I don't know. It's okay. So let me place this watermelon here, and then my milk in the fridge. How are you guys? How are you feeling about the political state? I don't talk much politics because I've never really been interested, but here this time we must talk, please. We are pushed to the wall. Hence why I am here asking about how y'all are doing in this political situation. Because personally, I think I have been livid for the longest time. Like, I just can't believe it. So yeah, let me put my means here. And then this other one. All right. And then this third one. I keep smelling meat. It's a thing. For me, it's a thing. The smell is very important. If it smells funny, I ain't gonna eat it. When that happened a while back, I got bulk meat and it had a certain smell. It was not bad, but it just had a different smell to it. So that whole month I was struggling with that meat. Like, I was thinking about cooking and I was already tired because I was like, oh, I have to eat that meat again. So yeah, leave my liver there. The minced meat I want to use to make samosas, so I can cook it down. This will be fast, very quick samosa cooking. I tried last time. I can say it was unsuccessful, but this time I am not in a hurry. I'm going to cook them very slowly. They will turn out nice. So there's this guy who figures if he's... Oh, I put salt up here. I was wondering, what is this? As he finishes what he's doing, let me also finish with this. Minced meat. And I'm also making some granola. I think I can actually get this going. It's about time. I have really postponed making this granny. You know what? Kutayadi. Alright. Hi friends, so I know my mince is going. I'll actually use this for samosa, so I just need it to cook through. I think it's okay like that. I'll finish off later. I want to make my homemade granola. I'm calling it mine because I've never done this before. So I have these porridge oats that I don't know if will work because they are a bit on the crushed side, but we will see. We are just trying out to see, honestly. And then I have pumpkin seeds, so I'll just put a little so that I remain in sun in case it fails. I saw someone add a bit of cinnamon. I've checked so many recipes, so now I'm just making a whole thing. Where is cinnamon? Have I run out? Oh, I have cinnamon sticks, but I have some. They put a bit of cinnamon, and then they said you could use cooking oil, which I will use. Not I will use it. I need a baking pan, so I'm going to use cooking oil because, if this works, I will really enjoy it. So I'll go in with my cooking oil. The only seed I have on hand right now is this one, so they said you can use cooking oil. I don't want any sweetener, so that's why there is nothing like honey, agave. I just want it like this. So it's a try this. If this works, oh my goodness, this will actually work. Okay, let me open it up. It has a bit of oil. Need quite a bit to cook it through and through. Alright, that's enough. I don't like the smell or the taste of coconut oil. That's why it is not a choice for me for this one. I hope it works because I've really been craving granola, like for my breakfast. So some people think that is enough oil. I feel like that is enough oil. I've seen people add a pinch of salt. Am I willing to do that? I have some peanuts that I can add at the end. I have almonds and all those other seeds. I wanted to get some raisins at the store, but I don't really like them. This is the beauty of making things at home. So I'll just make what I like. I'll use the ingredients I like. If I don't like something, I'm not going to use it. So yeah, I hope this works out because I have some yogurt that will really go nicely with it. So my oven is preheating. Alright, let me set this aside so that we can place this on the tray. Pray for me that this works, guys. I really have high hopes, but then this is too much heat, so low heat. Then you just place it on the tray. Flatten it. Should be one layer. This is so quick. So if this works out, I'll get more condiments and a bigger jar, so that I just make it for the month if it works. So this one is just to try out and see. So place it a thin layer, that's what they said, so that it can cook evenly, and then pop it in the oven. Oh, you guys can already see my oven. Pop it in. I don't want to use a lot of heat because I have never done this before, and that's on trying new things. Because who sent me? If it does not work, who sent me? It's okay. If it does not work, we try again another day. I want to seal these oats. So that was my first order of business for now. Because I just want to try and see if it works. My second order of business is to put water in the freezer for the samosa wrap. So they advise for, if you can, ice cold water, but not solid, like water but super cold, to make the dough. I don't know why, but that's what the guys are saying. So I'm just gonna let that sit there for 5 minutes. All right, let me adjust this. And that's going. Granola is in. This is not my forte. So I think the next thing I want to do is make the sheets for the samosas. Pray for me that it works. The last time I did, they were too big, they were too thick, so the samosas came out not as crispy as I had wanted. I have some carrots that I will add to. My fridge smells so good. I'm marinating some of my condiments, and oh, it smells so heavenly. So I have these carrots that I will use for that. Then yeah, let me make the dough. I got this recipe online. I shared it the last time. It's the same thing. So let me just mix this up, and then I'll show you guys when I start rolling, because that is where the problem was. So see you guys shortly. How's it, guys? How's it? So right now I'm making my veggies for lunch. Will you believe me if I tell you I have not started meal prepping? But it's only 12:40. All right. At least now what is left is throwing everything into the pot, which honestly, that's not hard. But for now, I am putting together lunch because we didn't have breakfast. I know I told you all we are going to have breakfast, and then we were like, okay, let's just have lunch instead. And because I was busy in the kitchen, I thought that was such a great idea. Because once I get into my Zoom, once I get on my Zoom, I just go. So happy about that. I left you off with what are they called? The samosa. They're in the freezer. I've decided to allow them to chill a bit in the freezer, and then I'll chill them a bit more in the fridge so that they are not like falling apart. Not nature. Mom is spilling water all over my kitchen, baby. Alright, that will sort it. So they have sat for a few minutes in the freezer, and this is what they're looking like. I want you guys to see. I have tried, actually this time around my butter was not as thick. I now need to work on the rolling because what is this? But otherwise, on the stuffing, the stuffing is nice, just how I stuff it so that it does not look funny. But otherwise, my darlings, is not about the shape, as I keep saying. I am not really concerned about the shape and the outlook of things. For today, I was basically working on making sure my wraps are not thick, and I think I have achieved that. Sorry guys, I'm on the floor. I'm wiping out under this cooker. I do this, I don't know how many times a day, but it's just good for my mental health when I know that there's no rubbish under my cooker. So I just do it. Alright. Let me finish wiping here, and then we can just move on to other matters. I will deep fry them shortly, but for now I just want to finish with lunch so that I know we are fed, because I cannot be here meal prepping and we have not eaten. since morning. So yeah, I wanted to make some coffee. I have missed my coffee, and since I've gotten milk, I think I'll brew some in my jug, and then I'll just preserve it in the fridge, and I can just take a little when I need it. But good progress with this day. I'm liking it. So yeah, this pan will sit out for a minute because that is for the samosas. Right now I want to get my pilau and the biryani going. So I have 2 huge plates here. So for theirs, this one is for the biryani and this one will be for the pilau because it's a bit on the big side. Yeah. Yes. I was also hoping to do some sit-down videos today. That's why I think I'm in a rush. I just want to finish making these meals because I have already done the prep. It's just putting them on the stove so that I can get ready to do that. I have really missed my sit-downs on the channel, so we're gonna do that. So let me prep this. These are recipes I've shared before, so I don't feel the need to share. I just wanted to give you an update on the samosas, and when I'm frying them, I'll definitely show you guys. But for now, let me put the pilau and the biryani on the stove, and then I'll see you guys. Hey guys, so done with my biryani and my pilau. I just need to make sure I'm in frame. I feel like my granola is weird, but I think it's because of the cooking oil. Now, do I want to throw it? I don't want to throw it out before I try it. So we are gonna try it out together. So I'll just take a bowl and some of my yogurt, and we're gonna see where this leads. My oil is, I think it's hot enough. It's for the samosas. Yeah, I think that's hot enough, but my pan is skewed. Can you guys see? My pan looks weird. It's not like sitting straight, and it's sort of kind of giving some anxiety. Okay, let's try that. So I had them sitting in the fridge, so they're good to go. Is that hot enough? I feel like it could be hotter. But anyway, as that does its thing, let's try out this granola. Guys, if this doesn't work, my heart will be really broken because I have really high hopes of it. But you know what? It's alright. We live and we learn. So I'll just scoop a little from. No, it's the yogurt first. So this is the yogurt. I mean, it's still full, guys, and it expires like tomorrow. People think I'm a joke because I know I'm a joke. I'll have to use it today. All right, I think the oil is hot enough, so let's finish this first. Let's try the granola. My samosas look so nice. So just a scoop. This should be enough. This bangs and sold. And the pumpkin seeds taste like nuts. I need to put the camera on my face. Alright. So I have my yogurt and the granola, so let's taste it. Alright, it's not bad, but it could be crunchier. That's really nice. So nice. That's nice. But for next time, I'll probably add some cashews and make it crunchier. Because right now it's not crunchy. But otherwise, it's nice. I'll finish it up. So yeah, let's finish these samosas. They look so nice. Refrigerating was such a good move because they have held to their shape so nicely. I hope they taste nice. They're not just flaky. These samosas are just not chasing me here. And when they just taste the way they want. Oh, that's nice. Very browned. only white rice and the beef strips. And now I want to wash this mirror, my oven mirror. It's so dirty. So in case you have never done it, just open it. There's a screw, just screw it open. Should not be hard. And then you just lift it off. There. And the other one, I just want to make sure you all can see.
Risks that I don't disagree with. It helps me to know when I'm walking down the wrong path. In fact, it helps me to know when I'm right.
And there, and then pop it off. Like so. And then I'll wipe this inside part. It has been aching me. The oven is clean. I cleaned it just the other day, but this part has just been annoying me totally. And just wipe that down like so. So I want to give you a quick update on what I have prepared today, what I have managed to do. So we have pilau in those three. It was a big batch. And then I have my macaroni in two. I have my biryani here and at the corner there. And then here I have my chicken strips. Alafu pale at the corner we have beef strips going, and then this is my white rice. So yeah, so meals for the week are sorted. So that's that on meal prepping. I feel nice. That was such a nice run. That was such a good day. So now I want to sit and just chill, and I want to do a mask and some nice skincare and just feel cozy and take care of myself because I deserve it. So let's go and do that. Hi guys, good morning, happy Wednesday. I'm ready. It's around 6:30. I'm ready to go to work, but then I did not finish with you guys yesterday, so I am here to close that video. But first we'll go to the kitchen and put away the meals I prepped. We'll pack my lunch and then we will close off this video. So yeah, let's go. Everything I prepped is here, so let me just put it away. One, then I have rice, more pasta, chicken, beef, biryani. So let me put this in the fridge. last thing I make is my tea. So I have my cup, I have my drinking chocolate here. I usually do 2 scoops of this. And then milk. That's it. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for chilling with me. I just need to make sure I'm in frame. So thank you for coming along for this vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and I'll definitely see you guys on my next video. Have yourself a beautiful day. Please stay safe. Remember to pray for our nation and also for yourself. This season for me comes with a lot of anxiety, and I'm just dealing with that in prayer. So in case you feel overstimulated, overwhelmed, anxious, you know where to run to the Father. He will sort you out. So I wish you guys a beautiful day, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Please subscribe if you're not. I will really appreciate it. And yes, bye guys, see you.